Every damn Dodge owner should do this.
Oh, he gotta change that tag. He gotta change that tag. I like the color though. All right, we're gonna record you taking those stupid yellow things off.
It's a rite of passage. You have to do it.
I was like, do I take him off? I was like, no, I'm gonna wait until he sees it.
Oh my God, it's over.
Thank God.
God.
You happy?
Congratulations.
Do you like it? Yeah.
Okay.
So stock form, it feels good.
Huh?
That's it.
So the thing is, like, to hear the whine, I keep the pedal, and then I keep getting gear hear the
I'll
whine.
sit it.
But
That's probably fun.
like, I was just trying.
I'm gonna sit it.
It's nice.
So other than the leather, does it have pretty much everything else?
No, I mean, it's all like lights and little shits in here.
Yeah. No sunroof.
Nah, I wouldn't give a
It's
shit
like
about
very
that.
little details. It seems like something like that. You can sit.
It's the same seat. It's just don't have room.
Yeah. And then usually, not the leather, but the step in between is just like it has like some fake leather here, and then here it has like Alcantara, yeah.
I like you got the good stereo, bro. The Alpine. I know there's one above it, but
Yeah. It's just like whatever space.
it's good. And you got the best lip.
Yeah, and it has
Oh, yeah, it's got the-
open kind, that's why you can hear it so nice.
Yeah, you can hear. I can definitely hear.
But yeah, but those tires,
Yeah.
and that kind of me, and I hit it a little bit.
All right, every
Every damn Dodge owner should do this.
there you go.
This is the first thing you fucking do when you
Yeah.
buy a car.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Hey, do they come off?
I don't know.
Are they glued on?
Ah,
God
no, it has
damn.
a pin.
Has a pin?
Ah,
Motherfucker.
Let me get it.
it's still there.
I don't know what kind of pin is that kid.
Damn you, Dodge.
Ah, that's why you gotta take them off. It's not because they don't want to, it's because they don't know.
I love the color though.
There's traffic.
Look, look.
Open.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Oh
The
yeah.
Charger doesn't have this open because theirs is not functional. It's just to get,
So this
to get
is
the heat out, right?
so this is functioning. The Rams. It actually goes into there. Yeah.
And you get air from here and the. Well, actually, this is extracted.
That's what it is.
All right, Javi. We're doing digs. I'm gonna switch to digs now. I'm not doing rolls anymore. I'm gonna switch to digs.
I was telling Rob, she was trying to record me on the highway, and she said, go, and I go to like 70 to 80, and the car's just like, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
But 275s in the back.
What? What are these?
It's a little wet.
No. I'm saying these are still 707.
Yeah,
No, 717.
It's like bike time.
They're 717.
Yeah.
What's the torque?
The new ones are 776.
So they bumped it up by 10 horsepower.
690.
It's different, right? Than Centrifugal. It's like right there.
Yeah, it's all at the bottom.
I haven't done that. I did it once, thinking that when he said that you're not supposed to go past 4K,
Yeah.
I thought when I would hit it, the car would limit it. The car went over, I was like, oh shit. And the guy's like, yeah, keep it under because like it's braking figure. I was okay. And then I fucking come back and it's
Just going full set.
Yeah. Yep. He made a hit. And I was like, do you want the car now? I was like, fuck yeah, we're going to buy the car right now.
Javi said, well, I can get some money out of
But
this
then down
shit.
the road, I was like, you know you like the sound too, you were going to buy it. She's like, yeah, you're right.
He said,
We all know that.
he sent the video and Rob's like, man, that shit sounds good. I said the same thing. That sounds good as well.
I was kind of pissed, but I was like, man, this is...
Yeah, I'm pissed, but I'm glad this happened. I told that to the manager. It was like a 50-50. Like, wow, it helps. And the other side was, damn. That's our car.
I'm glad. I'm happy.
Yeah, we are Dutch.
Oh yeah. It's actually kind of similar color too.
That's what I said. I was
Put
like,
a
you
shirt
got
with
it
a
black.
Hellcat symbol and it says minivan in the bottom.
I'll get you some badges for the minivan too.
That's funny.
Those some big ass rotors.
That's a big ass intercooler I noticed too. I didn't even notice that when I saw it.
Yeah.
I don't do anything, right?
It's gonna make it louder.
You're gonna put that
We talking
camera
about the
right there, right?
Yeah. I always say.
Okay, and then he does need tires in the back of the
Yeah, he's
Oh,
gonna.
that is.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
That's
But
for
please
safety.
leave it
That's an
alone.
absolute safety issue.
Please
Cut the
leave it
resonators off.
alone.
You wanna
It's
make it louder.
fine.
They say cut the mufflers, leave the resonators.
Cut the mufflers, these are
Because the resonators in the back and the mufflers are in the middle.
Those are the mid mufflers. Okay. All
I guess
right.
the back they call it resonators. Are they resonators or mufflers?
I think it's too muffled. But they say cut the
Both people, they were like, these are resonators, these are mufflers. And I'm kind of like, yeah, you sure? Like it looks like it's.
That's all. That and put some tires on it. That's it. Because for your safety, you gotta put some tires on this car. For your safety.
They're 275
275, 40.
That's what's on there right now. 275
I need-
40 20.
So far,
That needs a
even know how
305. I like it. We got a new car on the channel. I like it. Now it's time for me to have some fun with a kitty cat.
So this is a guy that goes and buys a car.
Twin turbo V6 bait.
He came back 146 miles. He took it back under 100 miles.
Hey,
And he bought this same car. He's like, no, that one just has 60 back. And I was like, oh. Yours is only 11.
Javi,
And they had this in wide body scat. It looks nice.
Yeah,
I was like, nah.
that one that you sent a picture, it wasn't this one.
No,
That had a
it's
white
Scat.
body. It looked just like it.
It's a
That
Scat.
one was a Scat.
Yeah, but the same.
If you drove that one, and you didn't like it, that's the one that felt kind of slow.
No, that,
You were smart
That
by
took
telling
off.
him because he wasn't gonna be happy. Everybody knew he wasn't gonna be happy.
On your back of your car. Well, that was-
Yeah, that's exactly what that is.
Bye-bye. Let's go.
I did not know that.
I'm tired.
I know. Thank you guys for stopping.
Soon.
Well, I don't think it locked because your windows are down.
Sounds good. Needs a little more louder, but sounds
Yeah,
good.
cold start. I'll be fine. Cut muffler.
That's what it is.
That's easy. I know. This is how our brain works. Oh, we can do this. I said I wasn't gonna touch that car. Look at that.
We all knew that was bull.
Put in 10.
Yes.
Word, it works.
Yeah.
How do you open this?
Fire button there?
No.
No?
Oh, right here.
There you go. Well, shit, bro. That's a big ass trunk.
Get in.
For real.
How you fit?
You can fit a kid in there. And the battery's in the back.
Yeah.
Well, there's no space in the front.
Yeah.
That giant ass blower. Oh, you got a subwoofer or no?
No.
No.
Right? No. No, I think they usually put him here. No. Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I think it has to be there.
Let me go in the settings and see if it has something.
This thing is massive.
It's big. I told Rob he's gonna get used to driving that car.
I like it though. It's like you sit way too comfortable.
That one I got into today, I was like, man, this is big.
Well, I sat in the red eye right here and I was like, yeah.
Yeah.
Put that shit on auto.
Huh?
Does it have the?
How do you put it on auto?
What do you mean on auto?
The demon? The demon?
Yeah, right there.
What do you mean on auto?
The light, oh, it's on auto. Right?
For the exhaust? Oh, the lights. Oh, yeah, it'll come on automatically.
Does he mean this?
What do you want? You want to dim it?
I dim it already.
Huh.
Yeah.
It's a nice car.
Yeah.
I think.
You can turn the screen on too.
I think for the money, it's a lot. It's a lot of car. And if in the future, if you want to get rid of the cloth, that's an easy fix.
And get rid of these inserts.
Yeah, that's an easy. In the future, if you want to get rid of the cloth, those things probably pop right out.
Yeah. So you can buy this and the seat cover to match.
So that's a. I mean, that's down the road. Yeah.
No, I'm just saying.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. I know you guys are tired. Come on, light him up. Come on. We need a good excuse for better tires. Javi's going to be driving that bitch everywhere. He's going to fill it up like 4 times this week.
That's gonna happen one day because they take the gas on.
Oh, you go straight. Go straight. Oh, come on. I hear that whine. Go straight. Yeah, that tag is straight up trolling fucking. That is straight up trolling fucking coyotes.
They're gonna pull up on
Like, motherfucker.
Just bring it close. So, first thing you do when you buy a freaking one of these. Haha, remove that crap.
Hmm?